This is Old Shep, written by Red Foley and Arthur Willis in 1933, uh, made famous by Elvis and Red Foley and many others. I do it capoed here on the 5th fret. I play it in the key of what I call G, which is really the key of C because it's 5 frets up, because this is the same key that Red Foley plays it in, and Elvis. If you want to play along with Elvis, he plays it a lot slower. That's a good place to start, and then speed it up a little bit with Red Foley. This song is in 3/4 time. I'm going to set the metronome in 3/4 time at 120 beats per minute for demonstration. The chords used in here are a G. And when I say a G, I'm playing a G chord, but I'm holding down the 2nd string on the 3rd fret, playing that D note, and I'm not playing the 1st string. So the 2nd chord is an E7th, which is the 2nd fret of the 5th string and the 1st fret of the 3rd string. I'm playing an A9th, which is an A chord, except you're not holding down the 2nd string, you're leaving that B open. And then I'm playing many variations of this D chord, which is F sharp bass, A, D, and with an open E. You also have a C, and you have a C minor. If you don't want to play the bar chord, you can just hold down this C and this E flat. The E flat is on the 2nd string on the 4th fret, and the C is on the 3rd of the 5th fret. The 1st chord is a G. So you play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, open 1st string, 2nd fret on the 1st string. The next chord is the E7th, and that's an open E, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and open 2nd string. So the first 2 chords are. The next chord is the A9th. You hit strings 5, 4, and 3. Your melody's on the 3rd string. And then you hit the open B on the 2nd string. And then you hit the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. And back down to the 2nd fret. And it goes to this D9th chord, which is the D with the open E. And I sort of strum on these top 4 strings. And then I walk down 4, 3, and then play a D7, which is the 1st string on the 2nd, which is the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Then open, then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then back to this open B, which is the G chord. So all together, the first 4 chords are. And then I play this D, which is a D with an F sharp bass, but I'm just playing strings 6, 5, 4, and 3. And then I repeat the whole thing again. And this time you go down to the root. You go down to the G instead of going back up to the open E, open B. After this 2nd time through, when you go down to the root, then you go to a 7th, like this. then G7. And here it is, the whole first part. G, E, A, D, D, G, D, G, E, A, D, G, G7th. And then up to the C chord, where your melody is on the second string, and then a C minor, where your melody's on the second string. But you can play the C minor like this. And then back to the G, holding down the third fret on the second string as your melody. And then open. And then open B. And then it goes back to the G. And then to the E. And you hit the C note. And then back to the A ninth. But you're just playing strings 6, 5, and 4. And then a D. And here's the middle part all the way through. C, C minor, G, 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 E, A, D. And then it repeats.